Oh, it's jumping up that right. I've lost my speed. It's the back tyre bump up's the problem. Whoa! Holding gal. He's got it. First time, see, that's the one gal. First time to one. See? Now try and do it again. No chance. I have, even though it's not on camera, completed this first try, and it's Sunday, sorry. First try Sunday. Yep. It's that mindset, mate. I'm sure it is. Definitely the mindset thing. Anyway, yeah, good morning. We're up to the Palace. First day of 3 or 4 days. It's been pouring with rain. So we're literally decided to come out. This little street park ride, like a couple of other weekends I've got. There he comes again. Oh, I've done it again. First try Friday. So you should have filmed the first. It kept bumping and it's soaking wet now.
Fuck, I do grips. Just press that top one again like the last one.
Top one? Yeah?
Yeah, that's it. You have to press it a little bit hard so it's in that casing.
We got glasses on as well.
And if the screen goes, you just have to tap it a little bit to bring it back up.
I've got my micro glove on, sweet. See the first run, gal. Well disappointed. Stay recording, gal. Yeah. Well, at least we've got you doing it. Yeah! Oh, nice. Not doing no fucking mental shit. What's that all about? Stretching? That wave is coming out. Busy up here today. Ian! Good? Yeah, not bad, mate.
Don't sound old, isn't it?
Right here.
Yeah.
For the kids, back when was it? 30 years ago they had something,
Yeah,
mate.
yeah.
Yeah, Dave's life. See you later. Stop falling off. We're gonna bomb it. We're gonna bloody bomb it. These are kind of what's going on.
Yeah, see the car stop there.
Oh, we're just picked it up. We had to get out. Stress. I was just going to say, Gal's bought a GoPro 6. We will be doing a little video, and I know everyone's done it, but we just want to see for ourselves what the difference is. Done a few clips on it today. The weather has been so bad in the last 3-4 days, raining, so everything's wet. We're not able to get out on the trails without getting too muddy anyway. But a big thanks to my new subscribers. Thank you very much. I'm at 100 and something odd now. I do appreciate it very much. Thank you, lads, ladies. But yeah, in a week or two we will be going out again, back on the decent trails, bike parks, not sure where. Yeah, and I've got a few other bits to show you, i.e. Gal's new GoPro 6. I know everyone's seen them on there already, but I've got a Hero Session 4, and I just want to compare the two. I know it's completely different prices, but yeah, Gal's got a new crash helmet. I will have hopefully a new crash helmet soon, and some other bits I'd like to show you on the channel. But yeah, yeah, cool. Thank you very much, and keep watching. Subscribe, like, hit that notification down there, and ready for more videos, and I'll catch you later. Bye now.